Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my lovelies. Once again, welcome to the journey of home decor. I really hope that you are all in best of your health while watching this video. Are you tired of digging through your refrigerator, searching for the exclusive jar of pickles or that last slice of pizza? Well, worry no more. With my revolutionary refrigerator organizing tips, you will never have to face that chaotic mess again. But before getting started, I really want to thank you all for your appreciation, love, and support to my videos. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of upcoming videos. And also let me know in the comment section which idea inspired you most and which changes you have brought to your home decor after watching these videos. Now coming back to organizing our refrigerator, first of all you have to categorize. Begin by grouping similar food items together. Create designated zones for fruits, vegetables, dairy products, condiments and leftovers. This will make it easier to locate what you need quickly. The second step is to use containers which are your best friends. Invest in set of transparent airtight containers. Transfer leftover sliced fruits and vegetables into these containers to keep them fresh and easy to find. Remember to label them with dates for references. You can also optimize shelf space and adjust your shelves to accommodate different sized items. Place tall bottles and jars at the back and smaller items at the front for better visibility. Maximize vertical space by using stackable bins or trays. Attach magnetic organizers to the inside of your refrigerator doors to store small items like spices, condiments, packets, or even your shopping list. Keep them within reach and they won't clutter up your shelves. Arrange your food items with the first in first out principle in mind. Place newly purchased or prepared items at the back of each category, pushing older items forward. This way you will use everything before it expires. Follow these simple steps and you will transform your refrigerator into a well-organizing heaven of freshness. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to an efficient, stress-free experience every time you open your door. Happy organizing. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.